And breaking news that is just coming in. In fact, it's a tweet that has just come in from the Twitter handle also of the Prime Minister. He says results of the local body polls across Gujarat and the Gandhinagar Municipal Corporation reaffirm the deep-rooted bond between the people of Gujarat and the BJP. He says gratitude to the people for repeatedly blessing us. Kudos to all the BJP Gujarat Karyakartas for working hard at the grassroots. Images also on your screens of the celebrations over the civic polls victory by the BJP Karyakartas. And do remember again, Gujarat is looking at elections somewhere in November, December of next year. And at that point, this is an all-important victory. Also, since you've seen a new chief minister at the saddle. So does this reaffirm the BJP's hold in the state of Gujarat? Priyanka, you're tracking that story for us. What really does this victory say? Okay, I think we've just lost that phone line with my colleague Priyanka, but I'll just reiterate what we've heard from the Prime Minister a little while earlier. He has tweeted, and I quote him here, that the results of the local body polls across Gujarat and the Gandhinagar Municipal Corporation reaffirm the deep-rooted bond between the people of Gujarat and the BJP. Priyanka, the Prime Minister has expressed gratitude to the people for repeatedly blessing the BJP. And I think, is this fair to say that we should read this as a sign of things to come? The elections in the state, Priyanka, are due in November, December next year. Okay, I think we've just run into some trouble with that line with my colleague Priyanka. Apologies for that. Yamal Vyas, who's the Gujarat BJP spokesperson, also joining us right now. Yamal ji, good evening, sir. Can you hear us?
Yeah, good evening. Yeah, I can hear you clearly.
Yes. So what is the final tally, sir? The Prime Minister has congratulated all of you. He's also thanked the people of Gujarat for again and again reinforcing that connect with the BJP.
Yeah, this was a very important poll for us because it's part, the Gandhinagar Corporation is part of the Home Minister's constituency, Mr. Amit Shah's constituency, and also because it's the state capital. And we have got an unprecedented result, 41 seats out of 44. And we are really thankful to the people of Gujarat, especially the voters of Gandhinagar for that.
And what do you think, Yamal Vyasji, really has worked in your favor? The opposition says that there is a lot of discontent on ground zero. The Aam Aadmi Party also has been trying to make inroads. The BJP has also changed their chief minister. A lot of ministers were also changed recently.
Right. The underlying factor which I think you helped us get this kind of response was the fact that our workers were with the people all the time, especially during the COVID pandemic. Our people were on the ground. Only BJP workers were to be seen then. No other political parties' workers were there among the people. And while our people were there with the people all the time. Not only that, but the government also did a commendable job. More than 98% recovery rate even today. And as you can see, the people have appreciated that.
And Yamal Vyasji, before I let you go, then Bhupendra Patel is going to be your face for the assembly elections?
Certainly. See, there is a collective leadership. Our president, Mr. C.R. Patil, is also a very popular face. Mr. Bhupendra Patel is also a very, though he is not known outside Gujarat, he is a very well-known face in Gujarat. And he's a very low-profile, efficient politician. He's a qualified engineer and so well-educated, sophisticated. And not only that, but we have a very good team of workers, lakhs of workers on the ground who are always there. So I think with this kind of setup, we are very confident of winning the 22 elections.
All right. Mr. Vyas, thank you so much for speaking to us on Republic. So